Hello class 10 students, I hope everyone is doing great. So this is the lesson number 2 of this chapter, light. So আজি আমি এই chapter এটা important topic discuss কৰিম, that is ray diagram. Now see here, distance of image from the object can be found by a method called ray diagram. So এটো এটা object আৰু এই objectৰ ইমেজটো এটো. Okay? So এতিয়া এই ইমেজটো objectৰ পৰা কিমানটো ডিসটেন্সত আছে সেই ডিসটেন্সটো আমি ray diagram method use কৰি উলিয়াব পাৰো. Clear? So basically ray diagram method use কৰি mirror এখনত কেনেকৈ এটা ইমেজ ফৰ্ম হয় হেতু আমি ষ্টাডি কৰিব পাৰো. Now tell me, what do you mean by ray diagram? So it is a method of locating the position, size and nature of the image. So এতিয়া ray diagram বুলিলে কি বুজা? Just now মই আগৰ স্লাইডত মেনশন কৰিছিলো যে ray diagram টো হৈছে এটা মেথড য'ত আমি ইমেজটোৰ পজিশন লোকেট কৰিব পাৰো. ওকে? আৰু ইমেজটোৰ সাইজ কি আৰু নেচাৰ কি হেতু আমি উলিয়াব পাৰো. Clear everyone? Now see here, this is an erect image. So সিধা ইমেজটোকে erect image বুলি কয়. Okay? And this is the nature of the image. এতিয়া চোৱা, এটো এটা magnified image. So আমি জানো যে magnified image means bigger image, right? So it is the size of the image. See here, this is an inverted image. So inverted image means the image is upside down, as you can see here. So ulta image toke inverted image boli koy. And this is the nature of the image. Now see here, this is a diminished image. So a small image is known as diminished image. And this is the size of the image. So this erect image and inverted image, these are the nature of the image. And this magnified image and diminished image, these are the size of the image. Clear everyone? So এতিয়া ইমেজটোৰ পজিশন, সাইজ আৰু নেচাৰ আমি ray diagram method use কৰি উলিয়াব পাৰো. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Now let us see how to draw the basic ray diagram. So first tote scale edal loa আৰু 12 cm measure কৰি line edal draw কৰা. So এই line dal হৈছে principal axis. Next, a principal axis dalot 3 cm distance ot P mark কৰা. Okay? So it is the pole. এতিয়া next step ot edal protector loa aru he protector dal pole tut place kora, as you can see here. Tar pisot edal arc draw kora. Can you see here? So a arc dalok aperture buli koy. Okay guys, now if you can see here, the reflecting surface is curved inwards, right? So it is the concave mirror. So ami janu je concave mirror khetrot reflecting surface to curved inwards. So ekhane ekhon concave mirror. Okay, so এতিয়া next step ot principal axis dalot polar পৰা 2 cm distance ot focus to mark কৰা. Can you see here? All right. ইয়াৰ পিছত আকৌ focus ৰ পৰা 2 cm distance ot center of curvature mark কৰা. So guys, ইয়াত এটা important point আছে, হেতু হৈছে polar পৰা focus হলে যিমান distance হয় সেই same distance হ'ব লাগিব focus আৰু center of curvature মাজত. Am I clear? So focus আৰু polar মাজত যদি 2 cm হয়, similarly focus আৰু center of curvature মাজতো 2 cm হ'ব লাগিব. Okay, now let us see the rules for making ray diagrams. So ray diagram বনোৱা কিছুমান rules আছে. Now let us see rule number 1. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis of a concave mirror passes through its focus after reflection from the mirror. So guys, এতিয়া ray diagram টো চোৱা, এডাল incident ray, okay? So এতিয়া এই incident ray ডাল এই principal axis ৰ লগত parallel. So যেতিয়া incident ray ডাল principal axis ৰ লগত parallel থাকে আৰু যেতিয়া সেই ray ডাল concave mirror strike কৰে, সেই strike কৰাৰ পিছত যোনডাল reflected ray, সেই reflected ray ডাল focus ৰ মাজেদি পাৰ হয়. Okay? So rule number 1 says that when an incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis strike on a concave mirror, then the reflected ray it passes through its focus. Am I clear guys? Alright, now moving to rule number 2. A ray of light passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror is reflected back along the same path. So guys, etia ray diagram to soa, jetia edal incident ray center of curvature মাজেদি পাৰ হৈ concave mirror strike কৰে, strike কৰাৰ পিছতে একেটা পাথতে আকৌ reflect back হয়. Can you see here? So this is the reflected ray. So rule number 2 says that when an incident ray passes through the center of curvature, it reflected back along the same path. Okay? Now see rule number 3. A ray of light passing through the focus of a concave mirror becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. So rule number 3 to hoise jetia edal incident ray focusor majedi par hoy concave mirror strike korar pisot he reflected ray dal principal axis or logot parallel. Okay? So this is the incident ray passing through the focus, and after reflecting, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, now let us see rule number 4. A ray of light which is incident at the pole of a concave mirror is reflected back, making the same angle with the principal axis. So rule number 4 to hoise ray diagram to soa jetia edal incident ray concave mirror strike korehi concave mirror thoka pole tut tetia tat eta angle form hoy with the principal axis. So it is known as angle of incidence. So incident ray aru principal axis or majot juntu angle form hoise hetu ami angle I consider korim. Okay, that means angle of incidence. So strike korar pisot jundal reflected ray he reflected ray dal aru principal axis or majot eta angle form hoise. So hetu hoise angle of reflection. Okay, so both these angles are equal. That means angle I is equal to angle R. So I hope everybody understood the 4 rules for making ray diagrams. Alright, now see here the 4 rules for making ray diagram. So now you all must be familiar. So incident ray, as you can see here, when it is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray it passes through the focus. Clear? So incident ray dal jetia principal axis or logot parallel thake tetia he reflected ray dal focus or majedi par hoye ahe. Okay, and the second rule is jetia incident ray dal center of curvature majedi par hoy aru concave mirror strike kore tetia he strike korar pisot same pathot akor reflect hoy. It again passes through center of curvature. Okay, now rule number 3 jetia incident ray dal focus or majedi par hoy tetia he reflected ray dal principal axis or logot parallel hoy. Can you see here? Okay, last rule to hoise jetia incident ray to polot strike korar pisot principal axis or logot eta angle form hoy. He angle to hoise angle of incidence. Okay, so strike korar pisot jetia reflect hoy he reflected ray or principal axis or majot aru eta angle form hoy. He angle to hoise angle of reflection. So ei duita angle equal. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Clear everyone? So now see here, this reflected ray makes the same angle with principal axis. Okay students, tumaloke etia concave mirror is 4ta ray diagram rules janibo laibo. Alright? Well, concave mirror ekhonot jetia eta image form hoy, hey image tur size, nature aru position ki depend kore object tur position or upor. That means where the object is located. So etia soa object to jodi beyond seat located tetia image tur position, size aru nature ki ami ray diagram or help draw kori sabo paru. Okay, now let's draw the basic ray diagram. This is the pole, this is the aperture. So this is a concave mirror. Okay, so F it is the focus and C is the center of curvature. So etia object to code located, it is located beyond C. So AB to hoise object. Okay, so etia ami janu je eta object or pra dhir rays ulabo pare, but eta object or image formation or khetrot ami ray diagram ot okol dudal ray consider korim. Clear everyone? Because with a single ray we cannot form a image. So etia soa a object tur pra edal incident ray ulaise, so he incident ray dal principal axis or logot parallel. So incident ray to jetia principal axis or logot parallel thake tetia concave mirror strike korar pisot jetia reflect hoy he reflected ray dal focus or majedi ahe. We know that, right? Okay, so this is one ray. Etia soa aru edal ray jetia object tur pra ulai focus edi par hoy concave mirror khonot strike kore tetia strike korar pisot he reflected ray dal principal axis or logot parallel hoy, as you can see here. So etia a dudal ray jetia concave mirror khonot strike korar pisot jetia reflect hoy সেই ৰিফ্লেক্ট হোৱা দুডাল ৰে য'ত ইণ্টাৰসেক্ট হয় তাতে ইমেজটো ফৰ্ম হয় as you can see here this is the point of intersection so this is the position of the image so let's name it as a dash b dash clear everyone so etia swap position of the image to code ase from this ray diagram we can say that it is between c and f center of curvature aru focus or majot image or position to ase right so nature of the image to hoise real and inverted so ami janu je real because mirror khonor frontot for hoise so he karne image to real aru image to inverted that means it is upside down as you can see here and the size of the image is diminished so object to comparison at size of the image is small clear everyone okay next etia swa object to jodi sit thake tetia image or position size aru nature to ki hobo so again let's draw the basic ray diagram so etia object to sit ase so again ami dudal ray consider korim etia swa jundal incident ray he incident ray dal principal axis or logot parallel so parallel hole reflected ray dal focus or maje di ahibo right okay so arodal ray jetia he ray dal focus or maje di strike koribo concave mirror khonot tetia reflect hole principal axis or logot parallel hobo so here the point of intersection is also at c as you can see here so etia image or position to code hobo it is same as the object that is at c right aru nature to ki hobo real and inverted aru size to object to homan same size hobo I hope everybody understood now let us see when the object is placed between f and c okay so this is the ray diagram so it object to f aru c majot ase so ab is the object so this incident ray striking on the concave mirror and then reflecting back through the focus again another ray which is striking on the concave mirror reflecting and they are meeting at a point as you can see here it is beyond c so a reflected ray to dalor zone to intersection point he intersection point to beyond c hoise so that means we can say that the nature and the position of the images so first at a position to code hoise beyond c right our nature to hoise real and inverted okay but here size to switia object to ke image or size to dangor right so we can say that the size of the image is magnified I hope everybody understood etia swa object tur pra jundal incident ray ulaise he redal concave mirror khonot strike kora pisot principal focus or majedi reflect back hoise can you see here karon a incident redal principal axis or logot parallel so object tur pra aru redal incident ray ulaise he redal center of curvature majedi par hoy mirror khonot strike korise aru strike kora pisot same path di ako reflect back hoise that means to the center of curvature etia swa a reflected rays sudal parallel so ami janu je parallel lines ketiao meet nokore right so he karne reflected rays sudal infinite loi jabo aru image to form hobo infinity so position of the image is at infinity nature of the image is real and inverted and the size is highly magnified so infinity jonto image form hobo he image to nature to hoise real aru inverted aru image or size to object or size tutke dangor clear everyone so tumaloke monot rakhibo lagibo object or position to jodi focus ot hoy tetia image or position to hobo infinity etia swa object between pole and focus so object or position to jodi pole aru focus or majot thake tetia image or position size aru nature to ki hobo so ab to object so object or position to ase pole aru focus or majot so object or pra jundal incident ray ulaise he redal reflect back hoise focus or majedi well object or pra aru redal incident ray ulaise he redal center of curvature majedi par hoy mirror khonot strike korise ami janu je incident ray dal jodi center of curvature majedi par hoy tetia ako he same path di reflect back hoy etia a ray dudal intersect korile mirror khonor pisphale intersect korise can you see here so image to mirror khonor pisphale form hoise so a dash b dash is the position of the image so position of the image is behind the mirror right and nature of the image is virtual and erect and size is magnified সো ইমেজটো যেহেতু মিৰৰখনৰ পিছফালে ফৰ্ম হৈছে সো সেই কাৰণে ইমেজৰ নেচাৰটো হৈছে ভাৰ্চুৱেল আৰু ইৰেক্ট ইৰেক্ট মানে ইমেজটো সিধাকে ফৰ্ম হৈছে আৰু ইমেজৰ সাইজটো অবজেক্টৰ সাইজটোতকে ডাঙৰ ইট ইজ ম্যাগনিফাইড সো কনকেভ মিৰৰৰ ৰে ডায়াগ্ৰামৰ এটো এটা ইউনিক কেস বুলি ক'ব পাৰি সো অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো যদি পোল আৰু ফোকাসৰ মাজত থাকে তেতিয়া ইমেজৰ পজিশনটো হ'ব মিৰৰখনৰ পিছফালে ইট ইজ বিহাইণ্ড দ্য মিৰৰ অলৰাইট নাও সি দ্য লাষ্ট ওয়ান অবজেক্ট এট ইনফিনিটি সো অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো যদি ইনফিনিটিত থাকে তেতিয়া ইমেজৰ পজিশন সাইজ আৰু নেচাৰটো কি হ'ব সো লেটস ড্ৰ দ্য বেসিক ৰে ডায়াগ্ৰাম সো এতিয়া অবজেক্টটো আছে ইনফিনিটিত সো এবি2 হৈছে অবজেক্ট এতিয়া অবজেক্টৰ পৰা যোন দুডাল ইনসিডেন্ট ৰে ওলাইছে সেই ইনসিডেন্ট ৰে দুডাল প্ৰিন্সিপাল এক্সিছৰ লগত প্যাৰেলেল সো এই ৰে দুডাল মিৰৰখনত স্ট্ৰাইক কৰাৰ পিছত আকৌ ৰিফ্লেক্ট বেক হৈছে ফোকাসৰ মাজেদি সো দুইডাল ৰিফ্লেক্টেড ৰেজ ফোকাসতে ইন্টাৰসেক্ট হৈছে সো সেই কাৰণে ইমেজটো ফৰ্ম হ'ব ফোকাসত সো পজিশন অফ দ্য ইমেজ ইজ এট ফোকাস it should be at focus okay there is a slight mistake anyways the nature of the image is real and inverted and the size is highly diminished so reflected rays sudal jot intersect kore tate image to form hoy right so yat image to focus ot form hobo aru image or nature to hoise real aru inverted aru size to ekdom point size means it is highly diminished so students we have completed the image formation by concave mirror for different positions of the object. Now let's revise all lens ray diagrams in 3 to 5 minutes. So etia so objector position to jodi infinity thake tetia imageor position to thakibo focus ot aru imageor size to hobo highly diminished that means it is point size and nature of the image is real and inverted. Etia ray diagram to so objector position to ase infinity so infinity jodi thake object to tetia imageor position to thakibo focus ot আৰু হে ইমেজৰ সাইজটো হ'ব পইণ্ট সাইজ আৰু নেচাৰটো ৰিয়েল এণ্ড ইনভাৰ্টেড নেক্সট সোৱা অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো যদি ফোকাসত থাকে তেতিয়া ইমেজৰ পজিশনটো থাকিব ইনফিনিটিত আৰু হে ইমেজৰ সাইজটো হ'ব হাইলি ডিমিনিশড সৰি দ্য সাইজ অফ দ্য ইমেজ শুড বি হাইলি এনলাৰ্জড ওকে আৰু নেচাৰটো হ'ব ৰিয়েল এণ্ড ইনভাৰ্টেড সো অবজেক্টটো যদি ফোকাসত থাকে তেতিয়া ইমেজটো থাকিব ইনফিনিটিত আৰু হে ইমেজৰ সাইজটো হ'ব highly enlarged object utke dangor hobo aru image to nature to hobo real aru inverted etia soa objector position to jodi beyond seat thake tetia image or position to thakibo between f and c aru image or size to hobo diminished means it is small in size aru nature to hobo real aru inverted etia ray diagram to soa objector position to ase beyond seat so ab is the object so image or position to thakibo c aru f or mazot focus aru center of curvature মাজত ইমেজৰ পজিশনটো হ'ব আৰু সেই ইমেজৰ সাইজটো অবজেক্টৰ সাইজতকে সৰু হ'ব আৰু নেচাৰটো হ'ব ৰিয়েল আৰু ইনভাৰ্টেড এতিয়া সো অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো যদি ফোকাস আৰু সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ মাজত থাকে তেতিয়া ইমেজটো ফৰ্ম হ'ব বিয়ন্ড সিট আৰু সেই ইমেজৰ সাইজটো হ'ব ম্যাগনিফাইড এণ্ড নেচাৰ ইজ ৰিয়েল এণ্ড ইনভাৰ্টেড সো এতিয়া ৰে ডায়াগ্ৰামটো যদি তোমালোকে সোৱা অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো আছে ফোকাস আৰু center of curvature মাজত so imageৰ পজিশনটো হ'ব beyond seat আৰু সাইজটো হ'ব অবজেক্টতকে ডাঙৰ ক্লিয়াৰ আৰু নেচাৰটো হ'ব ৰিয়েল এণ্ড ইনভাৰ্টেড এতিয়া সোৱা অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো যদি center of curvature থাকে তেতিয়া ইমেজৰ পজিশনটো center of curvature তে হ'ব আৰু ইমেজৰ সাইজটো হ'ব same size as that of the object আৰু ইমেজৰ নেচাৰটো হ'ব ৰিয়েল এণ্ড ইনভাৰ্টেড so আকৌ এবাৰ ৰে ডায়াগ্ৰামটো সোৱা objector position to ase center of curvature so imageor position to hobo center of curvature te so size to jodi swa imageor it is same size as that of the object aru nature to hobo real and inverted clear everyone etia swa objector position to jodi pole aru focusor majot thake tetia image to form hobo mirror khonor pisphal that means the position of the image will be behind the mirror and size of the image is magnified and nature is virtual and erect so ray diagram to akoi bar soa objector position to ase pole aru focusor majot right so image to form hobo mirror khonor pisphale aru jontu image form hobo he imageor size to hobo object utke dangor aru image to nature hobo virtual and erect ভাৰ্চুৱেল কাৰণ ইমেজটো ফৰ্ম হৈছে মিৰৰখনৰ পিছফালে আৰু যোনটো ইমেজ ফৰ্ম হ'ব সেই ইমেজটো চিধা Alright guys, today we have completed one of the important topic. So I hope everyone is clear. And students, don't forget to do your revision from time to time because revision is very important. Alright, we are done for lesson number 2. Thank you.